Today in front of me VIVO Y19 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap the open button and click to enable in settings. Click here to the green Apple keyboard switcher and go tap to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.